Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to look at why are you seeing pitting on stainless steel plates or silverware? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The pitting process takes place when two different metals, such as silver and stainless steel, touch in the hot environment of the dishwasher. This is called electrolysis, and it can cause pitting on your metals or silver. To prevent this from happening, always load silver and stainless steel so they do not touch at all in the silverware rack. Make sure plates and silverware have proper spacing, preferably at the other end of the silverware basket. When loading any dishes at the top of the unit, make sure there is at least 2 inches in between any plates or pans. By doing this, you will eliminate pitting of the two dissimilar types of metals. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.